So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website which is www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website of Gigabyte, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. So after that you can see this is right hand side search button, just click on that, then enter the model number of your the motherboard B760 DS3H AC, then hit enter. Then click on the title of this motherboard. Then click on support. So guys, select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. Windows 10 and 11 operating system installations process same. Select any, so no worry about that. Audio driver. You can see this is audio and this is size, and just click to download. When you click downloading, it will start downloading in the download box. So it is completed. Just single click to open and then double click to launch. Then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. You can see this is wait few seconds to complete. After that close automatically, means this is installed. So it is close automatically, means this is installed. Chipset. First this one, try to this one serial driver. Click to download. And completed, then open it. Double click to launch. And then click to yes. Now this is installing. So it is done at the close. Then slow down and Intel INF installations and click to download. And just open it and double click to launch, and then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is automatically closed, means this is installed. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver, click to download. This is download button. After click to download, it will start downloading. It is click on the download it. Just open it and double click to launch for exe. And then click on yes. Now this is extracting. Now this is installing. So it is close automatically, means this is complete, and then close it. VGA driver. VGA means graphic driver. Extract. So you can see this and click to download. After you can see start downloading, and after download just open this and double click to launch. So it is completed, and then close it. But ask for yes. Now this is extracting. Then Bluetooth, extract and click to download the Bluetooth driver. It will start downloading. Then it is downloaded, just open it and double click to launch. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting. So this is installing the Bluetooth driver. So it is done, means it is automatically close, and then close it. So WLAN means guys Wi-Fi driver. So extract this, and you can see this is the Wi-Fi driver, Intel Wi-Fi driver, and click to download. After that you can see this is start downloading. So it is completed. After that just open it, Wi-Fi driver, and double click to launch, and then click yes to required administrator rights to installation. Now this is installing. It will take some time. uh, so it is closed automatically, means this is installed.